Welcome to the JavaScript course for beginners. In this course, we learn how to code in JavaScript. It would be great if you know HTML and CSS. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language commonly used in web browsers. It has object-oriented, imperative, and functional programming principles. The spelling of JavaScript is derived from the C programming language. For example, Node.js is a platform built on Chrome's JavaScript runtime technology for building fast, scalable network applications. This course, Learn to Code using JavaScript programming language, will be able to create a dynamic website. In this tutorial, I will use Sublime Text Editor or Notepad editor. You can use whatever you want. Now, let's start coding.